mathematics class. This class is for class 8 and chapter we are discussing is algebraic identities, that is chapter number 13. In the previous video we have already discussed, we were discussing exercise 13b up to question number 8 we have done. Now we move on to question number 9. I am moving on to the second part. I am starting with the second part. Now question says state which of the following expansions is a perfect square, and it is 25 q square minus 40q plus 16. You have to check whether this is a perfect square or not. Perfect square means it is the square of any algebraic term or not. So we know that you can see in the middle it is minus. It means somewhere it should be minus 2ab, and we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we will try to write it in this expanded form. Now 25q square can be written as 5q whole square. It means you can consider 5q as a. 16 can be written as 4 whole square. It means 4 can be considered as b. It means here it should come minus 2 into a. A is 5q and b is 4. Let's see. 5 4s are 22s are 40q, means this value is written like this, or 40q can be written as form of 2ab. This is now written in the form of 2ab. It means this total is can be written as a minus b whole square. What is a? 5q minus b is 4 whole square. That is the final value. If you want to check, you can open it according to this. So a square, that is 5q whole square minus 2 into a into b and plus b square. So you will get 25q square minus 5 to the 10 was a 40q and plus 16, and that was your question. It means this is the method how, if it is given in expanded form, how we write in compressed form, or how we write it in the form of a perfect square. Now we move on to the fourth question. Now fourth part of question number 9. This can be considered as a square b square minus 2ab. It will again use the same formula, a minus b whole square. So 4x square can be written as 2x whole square, and this term can be written as 1 upon 4x can be written as 1 upon 2x whole square. Then comes minus 2. It means it may be in the form of a minus b whole square. So we'll put minus 2. A is 2x and b is 1 upon 2x. Now you can see that numerator and denominator cancel. So only 2 is left, and here also it is only 2. It means this is same. So this can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. And a square plus b square minus 2ab, or a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. So a is 2x minus b is 1 upon 2x and its whole square, that is the final value. Now we move on to question number 10. What term should be added to make it a perfect square? In this I am taking the second part. 16 plus 8y. Question says what should be added to this 16 plus 8y to make it a perfect square. It means this is not a perfect square. You have to add something. So when you consider 16, you know that 16 is the square of 4. It means this can be 4 can be considered as a. Then it is plus 8y. So plus 8y can be written as 2 into 4. 8 can be written as 2 into 4, and y is there. So if you compare with 2ab or plus 2ab, means if you compare 8y by 2ab, and you know that value of a is 4 given to you, it means 8y is equal to 2 into 4 into b. So we have to find the b term. So that will be 8y, 4 to the 8 comes in denominator, is equal to b, 8 and 8 cancelled. So b comes out to be y. So what we'll do, because it was 8y, so it means if we add the square of b, that is y square, this will become a perfect square. So what we are doing, writing y and adding its square. So now this will become as a plus b whole square, because when you open it you will get it 16 plus y square plus 4 to the 8y, and this is in the form of a square plus 2ab and plus b square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So it means what should be added? So you will write y square must be added to the given expression to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. Now one more question I will be taking. Let's take 10th question, fourth part. Now 10th question, fourth part is 9 minus 6x. Means the question is what should be added to 9 minus 6x to make it a perfect square. So we will find out first what numbers are given. Means 9 can be written as 3 square. So 3 can be considered as a. Then it is minus 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into x, means 6x can be written as 2 into 3 into x. And we know that this is generally the middle term. So when minus 6x will be compared to minus 2ab, because here it is minus, it means they are following a square minus 2ab plus b square. So when you compare, minus and minus will cancel. 6x is equal to 2ab, and the value of a is already there, that is 3. So in place of a we will write 3. So you will get 6x upon 6 is equal to b, implies that b is equal to x. We got the value of x. It means what we should add here? Here what should come? A square minus 2ab plus b square, and b is x. So we will add the square of x, and this will become 3 minus x whole square. So what should be added? X square must be added to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. This is how we will solve this question. Now we move on to question number 12. Now these from question number 12 to 15 are very important. So please practice as much as it is possible. Question number 12 has two parts. I am writing the first part first. You have to find the value of a square plus b square when a plus b is given as 9 and ab is equal to 20. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We need to find the value of a square plus b square, means this and this are missing. We know a plus b, that is given 9. So in place of a plus b we can substitute 9 and it is square. A plus b, that is 9 and square, so square. Now a square plus 2 into AB is given to you as 20. So 20 and plus B square. Simply substitute the values that are given and then solve. 9 square is 81 is equal to A square, 22 is a 40 plus B square. So this 40 comes to the side. It means A square plus b square is equal to 81 minus 40, that is 41 is the final value. Now I move on to second part. In this also you have to find out a square plus b square, but now what is given? A minus b is given to you as 5 and AB is given as 14. In this also we will use again the same identity. But since a minus b is given, so we will use this identity. We know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a minus b is given to you how much? 5. So 5 square is equal to a square not given minus 2ab is given to you as 14. 14 and plus b square. So 5 square is 25 is equal to a square minus 14 to the 28 plus b square. This 28 comes to the side, it will get added. So a square plus b square is equal to 25 plus 28. That is 53 is the final value. Now we move on to question number 13. These are very important. You need to practice them all. Now we move on to question number 13. Question number 13, I have taken the second part. First part is just like this only, and even just as question number 12. So you will do on your own in your practice notebook. Now in this we have to find out x square plus 1 upon x square and x minus 1 upon x equal to 11 is given. We know that x minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square. This we have studied in the previous class. So x minus 1 upon x is given 11. We will put 11 and its square. We have to find x square, that is unknown, minus 2 and plus 1 upon x square. Minus 2 comes to the side. First 11 square is 121 is equal to x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square. Minus 2 comes to the side. So 121 plus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square, implies that x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 123. That is the final value. Now we move on to question number 14. Question number 14 is find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. This is what you have to find out. And what is given, I'll do both the parts. So I'm writing the first part first. That is x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3 given in the first part. We have to find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. So what are we going to do? Again, we know that x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x to the power 2 or x square. From this, x plus 1 upon x is given to you 3. This is simply the formula that you have studied. Now in place of x plus 1 upon x, we can write 3. So 3 square is equal to x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square. 3 square is 9. 2 comes to this side. 9 minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square, implies that x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 7. We reached up to this step. Now again if I square, I am sure we will get something like this, because when you whole square, a square plus b square, so this we will get. It means x square plus 1 upon x square whole square will become x square whole square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square whole square. Now x square plus 1 upon x square we got at 7. So 7 square is equal to, this will become x to the power 4 plus 2 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Now when you solve it, 7 square is 49 is equal to x to the power 4 plus 2 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. This 2 comes to the side, it means 49 minus 2 is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4, implies that x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to 47. This is the final value. Now we move on to the second part. Now what is the second part? Again you have to find out the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. This you have to find out. when what is given? X minus 1 upon 4 is given. X minus 1 upon x is given to you as 4. Now again in this we will be using a minus b whole square. So we know that x minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square. Same method. Here we use x plus 1 upon x. Here we are using x minus 1 upon x. Because it is given x minus 1 upon x. Here it was given x plus 1 upon x. So x minus 1 upon x is 4. So 4 square is equal to x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square. 4 square is 16 and plus 2. This will become 16. 2 comes to this side plus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. Implies that x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 18. We reached up to this step. Now if I square again this, we will get this. So let's square. So it is x square plus 1 upon x square whole square. It was given to you as 8. So 8 whole square. What I did? 18. I squaring both the sides. This will become whole square and this will become whole square. Now when you open this will become a square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square, that is b square, is equal to 18 into 18. 18 into 18. Let's see what is 18 square. I think 324. But still we need to check. 64, 14, 18, 4, 324. So you will get it as 324. Now this can be written as x to the power 4 plus 2 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to 324. 2 goes to that side, it will become it will subtract x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to 324 minus 2, that is 322. That is the final value. Now question number 15. This question has 5 parts. I will be doing 3 parts and rest 2 parts you will do on your own in practice note. First part is find the value of m minus n if mn is equal to 7, m plus n is equal to 7 and mn is equal to 12. So we know that m minus n whole square can be written as m plus n whole square minus 4mn. I will explain this. We know that m minus n whole square is according to a minus b whole square. So that is a square minus 2mn plus n square. If I add 4mn, to both these means, and we know that m plus n whole square is m square plus 2mn plus n square. Now we have been given m plus n. If I add minus 4mn to both means, now this can be written as m plus n whole square and I am adding minus 4mn to this side also, and this was m square plus 2mn plus n square, and from this also I am adding minus 4mn. If these two are equal, let us say a and b, if a is equal to b and I add a constant quantity, let's say 2 to both the sides, it means a plus 2 and b plus 2 will be equal. Similarly, m plus n whole square is equal to m square plus 2mn plus n square. If I add minus 4mn and minus 4mn to both the sides, both will be same or equal. But when you open this will be, let us say this is m plus n whole square minus 4mn. This remains as it is. When you open this, it will be m square plus 2mn plus n square minus 4mn. Plus 2mn and minus 4mn will make m square minus 2mn plus n square, and that is what it is given, m plus n whole square minus 4m. So, and we know that this can be written as m minus n whole square, a square plus b square minus 2. So m plus n whole square is equal to minus 4mn is equal to m minus n whole square. This is the formula, that is what is used over here. Now, m plus n is 7, so 7 square minus 4 into mn is 12. 7 square is 49 minus 48, so it becomes 1. We know that we have got m minus n whole square is equal to 1. So when you take root on both the sides, this will be plus minus 1. Why plus minus 1? Because plus 1 into plus 1 is also 1. Plus 1 into plus 1 is also 1, and minus 1 into minus 1 is also 1. So that is why we will place a plus and minus both sign. Even sometimes if you write plus, sometimes we take it for granted this is right, but the complete answer has to be along with minus sign. If something like, suppose I say x square is equal to 9. So when you take the root of x square, that will be 3, but plus minus 3. This is the right answer. Means this is the way we should write, but sometimes teacher make it right because this is very small class. Anyway, now we move on to the second part. The third question, you find the value of p square plus q square when p minus q and p plus q is given. This question is also based on the application of both these formulas. Now, what we can do, I'll show you both how this came. If I take a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, that will be a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now when you open this, you will get a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Plus 2ab minus 2ab cancelled, a square plus a square will make 2 times of a square plus b square plus b square makes 2 times of b square. We can take 2 common. We are left with a square plus b square. This is the formula that we are going to use. Means 2 times of a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now in this question, p square plus q square is asked. So p square plus q square can be written as this total divided by 2. So what formula we are going to use? P square plus q square can be written as p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square upon 2. This 2 comes in division, or if you want I can write it, means it shows that a square plus b square is written as a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by 2. So this is the formula which we got by adding the square of these two, and this is what we are going to use. Now p plus q is given to you 14. So 14 square minus p minus q is given to you 6 square upon 2. Sorry, plus. This is plus, and this is plus, and this is plus. Now 14 square is 196. Let's check 14 into 14, 56, and 14, 196. So it is 196. 6 square is 36 upon 2. Total is 12, 13, 2. 232 upon 2. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. That is the final value of p square plus q square. There we did a mistake, means it was a square plus b square, so I missed minus sign, so I made it plus. So that is it. Now we move on to the last part, that is fifth part. What is the fifth part? Let's see. Fifth part is find the value of 4CD 4CD into C square plus D square. This you have to find out when C plus D is given to you as 11 and C minus D is given to you as 1. We know that C square plus D square can be written as C plus D whole square plus C minus D whole square upon 2. This we have studied from this. Now how to find 4CD? So one more thing that needs to be explained is I'm rubbing it out and okay, I'm rubbing this much only out. Then you will understand what is the how to get 4CD. Now in the previous question we have added them. Now we are subtracting them. So I am putting a minus sign. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. So here also in the expansion it will become minus. When you open this you will get A square plus 2AB plus B square, and when you open the bracket the sign inside the bracket will change, so it will become minus A square plus 2AB and minus B square. Now you can see that plus A square and minus A square cancelled, plus B square and minus B square cancelled. You are left with 4AB and we need what? 4CD over it. It means 4AB can be written as A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. So this formula we are going to use for 4CD. 4CD can be written as A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. Oh, I mean to say CD. 4C plus D and C minus D whole square. Now 4CD can be written as C plus D is given to you how much? 11. So 11 square minus C minus D is given to you 1. 1 square. 11 square is 121 minus 1 is 120. You got the value of 4CD. Similarly, we are finding the value of C square plus D square. C plus D is 11 square plus 1 square upon 2. That is 121 plus 1 upon 2. That is 122 upon 2 and that will be 61. 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 61. Now we need to find out 4CD into A square plus B square. So we know 4CD is 120 into A square plus B square is 61 into 61. 12 ones are 12. 72, 61 into 12, 72, 73. It is 7320 is the final value. Now this exercise is finished. I expect you all to revise this exercise at least 2 times, and then whatever is the next identity, that is the last identity, that will be considered in the next class. By then please practice hard and please do comment whatever you like, and in case there is any question you send me on WhatsApp number, because it is not easy for me to answer on the YouTube. So for that time, stay blessed. Thank you.